Hey everyone, this is Vanesa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and I am back with another home tour. And today we are in the heart of Red Rock, one of the newest communities here, and we are in a Lennar home. This is the Kingsley Floorplan. This is 5 beds, 3.5 baths, over 2,500 square feet. This is a gorgeous home. Red Rock is a secret right now to getting some of the best prices here in Northern Tucson. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, I just want to stop right there and say welcome. Again, my name is Vanesa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and really your resource here for all things Southern Arizona. So whether you're buying, selling, investing, or relocating, feel free to call me, text me, email me, drop a comment down below. Let me know where you're at in the real estate process, and I'll be happy to help. Now, I have a great relocation guide, which gives you all the highlights of the best hospitals, places to go with kids, restaurants. So if you want to get access to that today, feel free to drop a comment below, say the word relocation, and we'll get that over to you. Now, other than that, let's go ahead and get started. So this home we're about to take a look at is located in what I call a hidden gem in a suburb northwest of Tucson called Red Rock. This is a newer community, and I love sharing this community with my clients every single time because this community has some of the lowest prices in Tucson. Beautiful views near Picacho Peak. You're also only 15 minutes away from Marana and 30 minutes from Oro Valley, all while not breaking the bank on the price of your home. As you saw in the beginning of the video, the entrance of the home is phenomenal with its high ceilings. It's so grand and inviting. This is a smart home, and the best part with new construction is that you have no worries on it having any issues because you have warranty on the home with the builder Lennar. I mean, it's a great deal. Now, let's continue the tour and welcome to your new home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click on the video to the left to see a new video suggested by me. Make sure to follow me on social media and subscribe to this channel, which really supports me in creating more content like this one. Until next time.